today we're exploring Ajaccio, a beautiful island right here in south of France. The crazy part about this place is that this is a birthplace for Napoleon. You know, I mean, there's that phrase, hey, you have the Napoleon syndrome. Well, this is the guy that, you know, we're kind of talking about. And we're here at his hometown, we're having a great time right here. And our first stop here is actually Place Foch. I know it's an interesting name, but again, we don't judge people by their names. So again, we're having a great time over here. You know, beautiful corridors, beautiful statue, great plaza, where we're actually able to experience, as you guys can see, I mean, great vibes are happening around here. Lots of beautiful ancient buildings and great times. Let's get into it.
So our next stop is Maison Bonaparte, and that's basically, actually this alleyway is Napoleon's birthplace, so that's why it says that up there.
And Napoleon's birthplace is now turned into a museum, and as you guys can see, that is literally right behind us. People are going in, having a great time, exploring the beauty of Napoleon and his stuff. Come on in. Sorry about that. Don't mean to block the everything, the flow of the traffic here. Great times. You're loving Napoleon?
Yes.
Let's go. Everyone's loving Napoleon. We're having a great time as well. But as you guys can see, this is a museum now. Let's get into it.
Cathedral Santa Marina, and actually my favorite part about it is its beautiful view of the ocean.
So right here in Cathedral Santa Maria, we're having a great time, as you guys can see. I mean, beautiful architecture around here. I mean, very beautiful stuff. And I'm assuming this is where Napoleon used to come, you know, for church and stuff. So, you know, good stuff around here. He did have a pretty good view. And of course, great vibes as well. Wow. Let's get on to the next spot, baby.
And now we're at Plage Saint-François, and this is this beautiful beach out here in Corsica.
And just like that, guys, we have finally made it to the spot where we're gonna spend the rest of this beautiful day. This beautiful sunny day with blue and turquoise mixed beautiful waters, very warm. But the crazy part here is not even the waters or the vibes in general. The crazy part is these walls, this little castle looking thing that is literally right behind us. I mean, how can you even imagine hanging out on a beach day, having that literally behind you, having beautiful white sand right on your feet, and beautiful, you know, water, which is, again, not even cold, where you're able to go inside, have a great time. Well, you cannot imagine. That's why you're imagining it right now. That's why you're experiencing it right now through this video. I mean, we're all having a great time. Such amazing vibes are going to be had right now over here. And this is also where we're gonna be spending a significant amount of time, because vibes like this don't come very often. And I'm so glad you guys are here with us. And just like that, guys, we had such a fantastic time right here at Napoleon's hometown, Napoleon's birthplace. I mean, what a great day it was, right? I mean, hanging out at the beach was nothing more than magical. And that's why we're concluding this beautiful day right in front of these beautiful boats, this beautiful port of Ajaccio. I mean, wow, what a great day it has been. And highly recommend you guys to come over here and check this beautiful island out, because south of France right here is nothing more than magical. Thank you so much for you guys to tagging along, and hope you have a great day. Let's do it.